Just check out this view I woke up to this morning. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's outside. This is what my shower looks like. Today I'm just gonna give you a small room tour and a little bit of an update of my current situation. Okay, so I think first I'm gonna show you the outside of the room and then I'll bring you inside. Just quickly walking through the entrance so you can see what it looks like when you walk in here. Just check this, man. Okay, so this is literally a glass house surrounded by palm trees and plants. Anyway, this is my porch. This is where I can sit and drink coffee or beer. I'm currently still stranded in Siargao and I have actually no idea how long I'm still gonna be here. But like 2 days ago they announced that we are allowed to go surfing again. But like the very next day they cancelled it again. So I went for a surf, but it was pretty terrible. It was small and choppy and just not the perfect day to go surfing. So I've been trying to keep myself busy on the island while I've been stranded here. So I did a TEFL course. So if you don't know what this is a certificate that will allow me to get a job as an English teacher. So my original plan was to go to Vietnam. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna wait for the airports to open again and the travel restrictions to be lifted. So then I can go to Vietnam and maybe try and get a job as an English teacher. So this will allow me to travel for a longer period of time. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the inside of the room. Okay, so that was footage from yesterday when I checked in, because obviously I slept here and I messed it up. Okay, so this is the room. It's entirely glass. That is why they call it the glass house. And then it has a queen size bed in the middle of the room. They provide coffee, a kettle and cups for making the coffee. And they also give plates and cutlery. There is a kitchen. I can use the kitchen if I wanted to make something, and I can use the fridge to store something like beer. It has an aircon and a fan, because every day is like above 30 degrees Celsius, and you can imagine how warm it will get inside this glass house. I'm just gonna close these curtains real quick so I can show you what the lighting is like and what you see first thing when you wake up. There's lights that go on over here in all four corners of the room. There's lights. Later in this video I'll show you when it gets dark how cool the lighting looks in this room. Okay, so I got in bed now. This was so epic. When I woke up this morning, all I could see is just palm trees and the sun rising on the side. Just look at this awesome view. The very top part of these windows are left open to still let light in but still leave you with privacy. Other than the TEFL course, I also did the course in digital marketing. I don't really know if I'm gonna use it, but it might come in useful someday, I don't know. I also have a lot of time to watch some series and I've been watching. I've actually completed the entire 4 seasons of Money Heist. It is so good. If you haven't watched it, you should definitely start watching it. Just give it a go. It's a series about people robbing a bank. The series is originally done in Spanish and it was translated into English, so the voices don't match up with the video. But the storyline is so excellent. You should just push through it until you're hooked. Then you won't even mind the translation. So now I'm gonna show you the bathroom, which you sort of already seen. This is the bathroom. I'm just gonna close the door because the aircon is on. It has its own private garden and it has a washing line where I can hang my underwear. They provide you with soap, it has warm water, toilet with a nice mirror. It is outside, but like I said, it's very warm and you still have privacy because of this bamboo wall and the plants growing here. Oh, and it also has a tree like in the middle of the bathroom. Okay, so the shower is really awesome because you shower on stones. It's a real nice feeling showering on pebbles. One thing I forgot to mention, this is not the only door. There's also a door on this side and on this side. So I can also exit on this side of my porch. Anyway, I'm gonna fast forward some time with a time lapse and then I'll show you what it looks like when it gets dark. Okay, so it's dark enough now. I'm just gonna go back in and switch on all the lights. And then I'm gonna open up the blinds. So now we're gonna go out and we're gonna see what it looks like when it's dark. So far I'm super happy with this place and I'll link. Oh, whoa, that's a little bit too dark. I'll just go back inside. I will put the link in the description if you want to book this place on Airbnb, but maybe only after I've checked out, just like for privacy's sake, you know. So I'm still kind of running out of stuff to do here on the island, so if you have any series or movie recommendations that is really good, please comment below. I really like something good to watch. I really enjoyed Money Heist, but because I have so much time on my hands, I ran through the series like within 4 days. I did like 1 season per day, so I'm in desperate need of a new series to watch. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Hit that like button if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one, and then just hold that thought. Then I guess I'll see you in the next one.